Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Turnitin account without a class ID, so you can submit papers independently. First, open your browser and go to the official Turnitin website. Click on the Create Account option and choose the Student Account type. Since you don't have a class ID, look for the alternative option that allows individual access or self-enrollment. Next, enter your personal details, including name, email address, and create a secure password. You may also need to select a security question for account recovery. After filling in all the information, read and accept the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then submit the form. Once submitted, check your email for a confirmation link from Turnitin. Click the link to verify your email, and your Turnitin account will be ready to use without a class ID. Subscribe the channel for more videos.